Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Zion. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Anuanom ne adofo ene video yi ye de ba sa new law na aban ahihye on the 14th of March abeba from the 11th of April efa ekun eyire empna ene wona won ware ya wo pese wo yire nom won pna wona won ware omo eba ha 11th of April sana munyina munim ne sesi a wo de wo yire na wo kun eba I was say which is we adwuma enya 18,600 say you're self-employed and I say you're employed 18,600 na mom a fee 11th of April they call I was say we nya 29,000 pounds 29,000 no I was say ayesika wenya aye adwuma no for at least 6 months into half of 29,000 for the 6 months, you know. That's just about 14,500. In 6 months, and I was so you mean 14,600. A feno, I was say 29,000. Now, mum say oh had that, and now Ghana, now your application. Now a tray, your decision even after 11th of April. Now a demo, I affect you. More had that no 1860 no a better was. And she shared na year was so no I 1860 a better was. The biom the SSN said new law no I did 29,000 nke nei wo de wo yire na wuku ba na eba eka ho ana maka ho the odi kan no also winya 3,800 eka 1860 the tosibio was nka winya 24 asa 29,000 aye cover obia ti wo de yere ana ekun ene emma mienu yensa enan enum eba still ska was winya no aye 29,000 ebinka I was saying ya channels the yebe kana say so wunim say wo ye adwuma na wuntimi nya 29,000 na o pesa wo kofa wo yere ana wukun ba wo betimi aye application is say na why your documents no at the account na chere say once a wire application na we tua application na chere say wire until a chere na wa upload your documents because we need to say before the 11th now because we if you only a decision prior by the 11th so chere omo your decision na o may use 18.6 and then omo use 29 soldier for the no are different yes soldier for the is slightly under 25,000 in chomo the no are different I hope say we ebeboa will be na more like it and follow you our YouTube LinkedIn TikTok Facebook ningina send a video no ba with me edamase. Hello. Today's video is to look at the new statement of changes to the immigration rules, specifically the one that affects the minimum income requirement for spouses who will be joining their spouses after the 11th of April 2024. As you may no doubt be aware, the Secretary of State did say that they were going to increase the minimum income requirement from the current level of 18,600 to 29,000. The law has now been passed, which is now in Parliament. It will come into effect on the 11th of April, which means that those who will be making applications after the 11th of April will have to show an income level of £29,000. What has changed is that the £29,000 covers both spouses and children. So for example, currently, if you're bringing your spouse and you've got a child, in addition to the 18.6 that you have to show, you need an additional income of 3,800 for the first child and 2,400 for the second child. However, from the 11th of April, there will be no additional requirement for any child. That is crucial for many people. We should also note that the income level for HM Armed Forces is lower, it's just under £25,000 for people under HM Armed Forces. However, there are transitional arrangements to protect those who are already here. So those who are already in the UK as spouses will not be affected by this new law. They will continue to rely on the 18.6. Those who have also made applications as spouses, either as fiancés, unmarried partners, or partners, will not be affected if the application is subsequently successful. Therefore, those that this mainly affect are people who make applications after the 11th of 11th of April. Those are the people that this will affect. These are the practical things that you can do. If you're
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884.
And Shannon so emame na kai hunu say scripture me de brɛ no Jeremiah 31 verse number 3. Na onyame sɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ babi a wowɔ ne tibi a wotim na nea ɛkɔso bia no ɔbɛ appear because ɛyɛ wɔdɔ ɛna wɔde twe wo ewura mu enti ɔdɔ ɔbɛ appear ama nneɛma ayɛ kama afi kai na Shannon so sɛ lawyer atena ase die ɛnɛ yɛbɛpiapia nneɛma no ne ayɛ ne ntɛntɛm because and no do pepe or for I was it me pie free fidua ha na me kohwe enioma nkaya aka ohwa time na 24 minutes past 9 enti ye to America na ye de update abrel na ma bie phone lines no na lawyer atwa so afiri ho lawyer Charles me pa chaw me ma achi ema wakwa aba eba dwumadi so
yeah prophet pa chaw pomo
lawyer me pa chaw timinka
me pa chaw me timinka pa chaw wonso ya wotiminka
nyame adom mete won ka papa me so me ho ye
good
ai na bibia boko
nyame adom pa o da cheyen na so pa chaw wonso ebusua ni na
wo nyame ashira me papa unyame ashira me na anopai sania medical bo atiefuo enkaye no mama o mate ase se yawoda anopa de BWF Solicitors legal education ye de besom yamanfo Ghana community ni free eninti anopai lawyer wadawroma fa yetum na yenko
yo etiefo na ahwefo ende enso ye da obi biara asese wenya mbre se ye besua ade na ewo ho ende no ye be go straight into it updating the day bia ye de bremo enti ne ewo ho no ne ye be kan ho asam so update ni bia enti ne no extended update enti ne ye bi di ho komo no changes aba we dey be starting from 11th of April 2024 na yenim say application akofa wo yere ukunu wo mma efi amanoni aba mpo se wo mu a mrane say wunya 18,600 na nkwala omwo mu omunye British nkwala no so won de na akoba ne sa afidie enye 18,600 bio na mbom 29,000 from 11th of April 2024 tina ye kaka ye ho na ye boye ho kokko se sa na etie dia and the yenfa application into acha 10th of April wudi tumu a ho son wudi tumu a ho son wudi tumu wi a na afidie we book appointment no later na wagada wo document no na wa submit na wakobo wo nsa no nti wutumi di tum by 10th of April there and the as I say we show 18,600 na ewo ho mpempre no yes there as I say we extra job and now say we show other sources of income are credible now we prove 29,000 no na senior yenim no ye bisa ye ho se enti se me be sa application a den na mehia sika no tituru enti ye hwe changes e ba yi a tituru na e ba 14th of March 2024 na e ba January na ne ekeka ho nyina no nyina e point to one direction na e kwa ne se o be application a akofa ukunu wo yere wo ma eka ho at the same time abade a ende esese wo kire se wo 29,000 from 11th of April just say new emra no ho komo na ye di nti I will make reference to 29,000 no na sa wo pesa wo avoid 29,000 there ende efi ende ekosi 10th of April wo do application tumu a wo ye okay and no affect you na sa wo mu dada se bia waba 2.5 wo da bem 18,600 na emre ya sesa afi na wo be renew and so be renew after April and no so emra na si de bi se waba under 18,600 now be renewed there 29 no affect you empo afi na wo be application under 5-year route no wo krom ha na wo ditum by 10th of April so a affect you muma yenhye eno enso nsesen a abaye nije wo won a wo krom ha no ne se obi o ma owa ha say was it last week na client bi some say na lawyer sisi ai papa no akọ pension me so me pay no so me ba penin no so ode nkwala mienu penin no so sisi a waburo 18 oye adwuma nkakra de ma wo university nti ebe ne den na ye prove sika no na me so wo be prove ebe ye na sense mu wo mu dada no ntu ebe ye 18,600 plus nkwala mienu no akwala odi kan ye 38 na ne oto aso no ye 24 na esen santi na mo be ye ne se papa ne de even though or pension no oye 2/4 nkakra bi ye de beka ho nso wo de no wo de beka ho na akwala penin a we di 18 years abro no ono so n'edwuma no emra ne se yetumi de ka ho ma ne yeyie na wetumi emiti 18,600 no ane nkwala ne de no nti na ye kire se eye ni jesem pa because kane no na akwala de no ye mfa nka ho pasisi ade emra ne se akwala ne de no yetumi de ka ho ma ne yeyie provided say akwala no eguso depend on omame akwala no di 18 years abro akwala no eye edwuma yetumi de ne de no eka ho ma ne yeyie to prove the 18,600 ane ono akwala no so ono so be ye ne de eka ho a 3,800 akwala foforo so ka ho a 2,400 senia emra no eti no na foforo a ye di ho nkomo no eno senia ye nim no emra ebe started from 11th of April or say 29,000 na 29,000 obeyden in the way prove na or say start 29,000 no it say if you were jumum into pay slips and no bank statement senior yenim no and employer letter a confirm it adenti na ye pay slip na ye bank statement bibi ntia your friend bibi corroborative evidence so the pay slip nko aba ebetumi akoye say kana na bi akoso na wa akoye pay slip na wo de aba so the bank statement so nko anso ba enso e possible say kana na bi akoso wo nkrofo no omo bank ho no na wetumi the bank statement aba nti you need the employer and the bank to say yes the money is correct so you need pay slips and you need bank statement and I'm offering corroborative evidence nti saa mieni mo mention so wohia employer letter nso to confirm say saa 29,000 sika na wosi wonya no enso sara enetie na say yeduma one duma odi eno ho sika na ebeba 29 plus na say yeduma mienu nso a wobeka ni nyina bom ye hiare say wonya 29,000 from those sources of employment no so we are self-employed in swear and then there are two aspects your self-employment income self-assessment tax returns no a wo file no after every tax year no until at the end of the tax year no say yenim no it runs from the 6th of April of the current year to the 5th of April of the following year. Nti sisi ano yakọ beyond April. Oh sorry, yakọ beyond the last year. We are yet to get to April. Not just say you're starting new tax year. We are still within the current tax year. Nti na yehwemu a you were 2024 there. That means 2023, 2024 tax year. Next year, tax year no will start from 6th of April. So that will be 2024, 2025. But so we are self-employed untumi enka 2024, 2025 wasem. So we can 2023, 2024. Then first we hear sa ade no na we dey akwaye immigration application as I say we prove say we file tax returns for 2023 2024 and no na aban be share na wa ma wo tax bill and your friend no form SA302 form SA302 the form SA302 is nothing but your tax bill based on the profit we declare so we are self-employed no maka bibi profit manka say sika wunya ye me say profit eba so onfa so eba ne awo ye no so na kira say we are self-employed as I say we share ade bi enso sika wunya no every day ukaka boma every month ukaka boma every quarter ukaka boma every half year ukaka boma every year and no na at the end of the tax year no bebre no by 31st no ma getting ready so latest by 6th of April no you put all together now they are more accountant so when you're accountant you can do it yourself provided you have the competence and skill to do it enti ukaka ni na boma no your friend no turnover or income from ejuma ade a wo ye no income for the business and no ubaka kire tax man say afimu ni nyina no ejuma me ye nyina no nkofo mu tuatua meka no sika omode ma me ni nyina example 40,000 na one my tax man aya we say say one na we ye ejuma ni nti utua bills and say expenses so expenses no tax man say it has to be wholly and exclusive to ejuma na awo ye no nti provider say a link to ejuma na awo ye no wo betumi atie fisa 40,000 mu na ebeka no na wo betua ho tax ama tax man nti profit wo dey mama yan show wo na wo ye ejuma wo na wo control the expenses no wo na wonim sika nkrofo de ma wo ne de of course omo de ma wo nti receipt na ade no e cover enti wuntumi enya ho hwe because omo de ma wo but expenses ne de provider say ye wholly and exclusive nti nipa no ba say expenses we nyina ye whole and exclusive nti meka ni nyina abom no 39,000 ho evidence ni invoices ni receipt from payment ni ade ni nyina meka abom 39,000 nti wuti 39,000 if 40,000 mo aka 1,000 pounds eno ho na obetua tax ama aban na sa 1,000 pounds yi so we are self-employed sole trader we registered company and I say limited liability company you as an individual sole trader no ye be hwe say wo personal allowance no enso ya tie fim ansan we tax nti wo personal allowance of 12,570 for the current tax year and as tax year ye dey be wie ya na just 1,000 kra no aban de woka kwa allowance no wentumi ndimi nyina de enwie for the year nti na just tax a wo betua no eye zero enti haro na ukọ fikesinfo a bosi yo ya chaase send aban na waka say wutumi mitigate with tax bill with your expenses santi when your tax so when your tax because we profit na your 1,000 there and there's 1,000 no na you be fa say we income for immigration purposes na just say endu prophet am say when you
yeah me ba cho gina ma me 1 minute wa bo bibi so na ye mbue amanfo adwene mu ho because bebre no self-employed na esi ani say tax no office me ye no was zero enti ebia home office be ka say o akwayi kura wo make profit bia enti nkrata no yemfa no ntu baabi enti me pa cho chirichiri mu kakra say zero say profit aba say menya medie say menya medie no it doesn't matter.
Your prophet na woman say you were tax man nko you were tax affairs and immigration affairs omo ye nyoma mienu
okay
but you see bibi enti na ye de nice ahwemu a yeja ye nan esunsum ewo ho nti we step mu you can see say we ja footprint now immigration you have to meet the immigration rules tax you have to meet the tax rules. If you meet the tax rule, it is called tax avoidance, legitimate avoidance. Nti abankra with tax avoidance schemes. Who meet here, uncha tax biya. But tax evasion are wrong. So you chiwa edu betum under the Finance Act. But near can say tax profit na utua ho tax no eno na wode bokwa akwatre aban for immigration purposes. Enye sika mu na ba winsem no a wobetua ho wudi bi tutua wo expenses no. Enti wo na wo be ye wadwen say unim bibi. Me pese mitia me tax less and I say me pese me meeting immigration requirements. So your tax now will focus on there. Provided the expenses are acceptable, you pay no tax or less tax. That's tax mitigation mechanisms. But immigration now pay there and the expenses need na say we claim back because a bit eating to your profit. Eating to your profit then about affected 29,000. Now you can have some from 11th of April. No?
Good. Afe ye uraho. Enti se me taxes no me tria na se me ko presente me documents no home office na ekire se me nya bibia ewo ekire so by the end of the year no at least me nya so and so amount of money ebe affect me immigration issues. Yes sir.
Say so and so amount of yen can say infasuo
yeah.
infasuo no aba ne adwuma na wo ye no ho no eno ho na wuchia tax. Some infasuo no na wo de be ye immigration application.
All right.
Nti say we nya infasuo de a wunchia tax ba wuntumi mfa nkwaji nkrata the same infasuo na isu ano. Nti infasuo no should be 29,000 from 11th of April.
Lawyer, you see, nienti amabisa sa question no kire say obi tifie waye na adwini so say tax no mikotua na metiti bibia free mu na at least ebeda zero kra metimi dia kwaje nkrata dabi hye no nso e was say we meet 29,000 e was so meet in this also meet 29,000 e dia ene enkoye on lawyer etomre bia na ya program ya adwini so ma men squeeze ade ne na menya profit ne ne say no dia ne amere be wakọchire omo na no ano no enitina mama o team no afa ma men fa lawyer number e ma wo ha because tieni ye pa ene lawyer be bua ade bi eni so akire me ansa na ye be close kura no maybe san question bi ama wo say o pese wo ne lawyer Charles edi nkomo okoko hunu no putupuru bibia to bibia si o pese men frɛ lawyer Charles ana me pa chon which me frɛ no 07947636037 meti mama why anopa me no muti mom 07947636037 07994763603 na wabawura lawyer Charles Akachi lawyer fire koyani.
Yo prophet I'm say the prophet baba enche bebre nti me pem so na maposo ba na ewo metiefo na ahwefo ne say se na ye kire mu no bebre no would want to have their cake and eat it at the same time.
Yeah.
As say wo choose baako nti say wo kwa tax there you are eating your cake. Wo kwa immigration you are having your cake and the cake you cannot use the same cake. Nti say wo say the same cake na wo dey kwa immigration for what there and the tax no wo betua. Ti simple calculation. So wo ba manimu a na wo say lawyer me say me self employed. Make say that's fine. Is it limited liability company and that's a sole proprietorship. So why would you sole proprietorship for no yama UTR, unique tax reference number. Let us say nipa is sole trader. A bit me have say Kwesi Mensa enterprise or Kwesi Mensa whatever. We are saloonist, we are a cab driver, we are driving instructor, saphoning na to say prophet we say na say bia we call asori ekwa minister na we file wa we taxa we are sole proprietor. Enti sapho no mutumi ye no sapho no mo personal allowance of 12,570 before they pay the tax. So let's do simple maths. You hear 29,000. Always tell people say yeah for kakraguso. Then first say 29,500. But for the purposes of taking the box of the law, no, 29,000. We are self-employed. Into profit, 29,000. No matter sika winya afimu ni nyina no, first one as I say 29,000. Because we are sole proprietor and I say one man business in your own name, no, and your limited liability company. And I say we are partner of a business. And I say we are director of a company. We are director. Director for also they are regarded as filing in their own name. Into use form be a friend of form P11D. Into P11D no for company directors. Into sa company director no so obetumi use sa ade no. Into fa say nipa yi the profit for simple ade na ye no 29,000. Onye personal allowance of 12,570. Into profit wuti fi mu a na just say so otua tax ewo 16,430 pounds eso. 16,430 pounds, it falls within the tax bracket of 20%, 0 to 20%. The 20%, we working on 16,000, give and take, ebemao times 2. In the times 2, ebemao 3,200 because of 430 negusu, we the say 2,300, 1,300. And to say 1,000, so 16,000, 20%, you say 3,200. Now say 17,000 because of Negusu Noa. You say Ebemao sa bit, Now, young can say because of sanity, who shall say tax and he necessary mitia. One can say who tax necessary utia. Now one can say wait to me aya den. And who say tax saying a say mitia dia and the sa tax no mitia ne de ben. Metia anase mintia ye. Ko tax home office wo be sao. Say tax na we tia ne ewo he. Anase tax na wo be tia no ewo he. Enye compulsory say we tia ni nyina because mra ne say wo be tia with tax 9 months after the date. Enti wo be tia no 9 months later. No person mu hu ni say wo evidence say why your self assessment wo tax bill na ade ni nyina. As I say wo your accountant report. Inside say so sika na buy na ye 40,000 no eno ho ka eno nie na eno so e wo bank account mu so wo de bank account no eba obi wa baka say na lawyer me bank no account no tinye sika ni nyina na afam yete ase ebi mu e wo run cash basis accounting so for no sika no ba so sika na omode ye omode tua enyoma na ade tinye ni nyina na ebekọ omo bank mu ba na ese say wo ye ne say accountant report no wo tax bill no wo na ade na otumi akire mu ne nti a profit nye no nyina anasa 40,000 no nye no nyina na ewo wo bank account mu nti eho no muma yenhye no enso now yembra ifie ye nkrofo omo ye obi adwuma saafo no omo ni control nti 29 no ese we prove your pay slips it is say from one source anasa other sources na profit na apia mu a ye nigie ni say or say mpempren ya no wo be your application from 11th of April ba wo be start we djuma 30th of April na ya ma wo contract ya ma wo letter no eso no ye wo salary a ye de betua no na ye 29,000 na say ebro a wo betumi yusu ma na ye friend no genuine source of employment income na genuine say reliable genuine say verifiable na tell say wuntumi nkwaje letter mfi obi ho say oh wa fa me adwuma mu nti letter ni nie etina me kwaye adwuma na say next month me kwaye adwuma nti osimesi anasa obintin afa me adwuma nti anu nie no on be verify verification be no on be ye on be hwe say sa osimesi anasa obintin obetumi atua 29,000 a wo claim say obetua wo no a kwan be so no on be fa. All we need to do is to go online. Company's house. For a company we pay. And now also said tax office. For we pay. Research in your much me. Now imagine say company a woko ye adwuma mani. Wo afimuni nyina no omunya 30,000 and I say 40,000. Now wo see ye betua wo ka 29,000. Profit eto assume.
Entasum kra.
Entasum company Eunice ka obeda na wetia wonko 29,000. There are other workers. Tini ye hwemu a it is not genuine source of income ebaba. Nti saa we na ebaba no even though nka obetumi agina so no ade nyina de adanse say no quarry enim. Emrane say it is up to you to prove say evidence na wo de ba no credible, reliable, and it can be tested. And your home office for ejuma on a balance of probability won necessary will prove this and the responsibility on answer burden no and that was so. Say wodi ni nyina ba na mo ye wonji a ehwe na obetumi ni won afi so. Nti mama yen hya no so. Eya won necessary wodi evidence ni nyina eba. Say we obi adwuma o, say we ye wa adwuma o. But emra no so ne all can say see etumi prove say adwuma no ye reliable, credible. Na sika na wo se ye di bebetua no sa na etie de a and the sa prospective employment na wo benya no and say employment na wo benya wenya no afi na wo be sha ase no even though sika no mbaye no betumi use letter no and say contract no e ma na yeye nti flexibility na aba no e very good news but we have to exercise this right with utmost caution. Yes sir. Ometumi kwa ka say wa forge document to beat the system and you'll be down for part 9 refusal. Penisa, woman share one enso. Now, you will obviously other sources of income which may use into be our savings. And now say or into properties, rental income, or pension pot. Sa for ni na no ubetumi use you from non-employment income. Now, prophet, question is say nipa we wakaka ne sika nyina bom na enso 29,000 no a does it mean say ontumi fa na yere ne kunu anasa ne mma no emma ana mmra ne se ubetumi provided say you meet paragraph gen 3.1 3.2 of the immigration rules then aoka o se wontumi enye we nyina ubetumi agina bibia ye fra no exceptional circumstances so. Exceptional circumstances say na situation atia no nye say sika no kwa na esese omo hwe ansa de visa na ma wukunu anasa woyere na mbom omo hwe outside the box nti nyoma ban na omo hwe to meet the exceptional circumstance me my friend no or 8 nti say we nya 29,000 a you have to give or 8 only your then honestly you have to show that you have insurmountable obstacle to family life if they refuse it. Even though we have 29,000, you have all OR8 or 8. Only an insurmountable obstacle to family life. So we could not and that's why you're a bibi betumi ato ewo UK or memu. So that's the insurmountable obstacle to family life. Family life is here to tenacity. International say we give it to the case worker to make reasonable assessment and say Matthias here, even though you can't knew what there, but mama were and I say wukunu and no mano omaba. Oh, inti only Matthias here. I don't see reasonable test. Reasonable test. So reasonableness test, and I say it will not be reasonable so me refuse application you know because so we yes sir akwala no nkwala omu wo mu no omba han and no one so omutumi hwe na omugina so say sika no so 29,000 but because of the fact say it will not be reasonable to refuse the application because of the children involved in it ya de ade no ebema wo yere ukunu ana ene wo mba no nti mama yensha no ehwo no so enso case law ewo ho a support Sarah enso na yenim so say section 55 of the Borders Act no so eboa sa ekwan no eso na 8 ni say article 8 nti wodi ono ato ho insurmountable obstacle wodi reasonableness assessment no so ato ho Now with the article 8 ato hɔ article 8 right say right to family life. Nti wo se minisika nti se wo si meyere anase me kunu ne me ma mo bɔ mo aba no kwan dia, then you are infringing upon my article 8 right. Nti hɔ no case worker no na ya de apem no na as say o set back no oye assessment ni yie because ekopie court a na court no bɛka ne say ba wo ya ka kyerɛ say se we hu 29 na kwahwehwɛ or 8 uhu or no o no uhu ye r no uhu ye na uhu article 8 right no so ana uhu ye de a adenti na wubu weni go so na wo refuse ye and ye yententententem na wo draw appeal no na omunkom omanim na ye de apem wo e wo saa kwan no eso saara nso na wo ye application na wonim nya wo ye a wodi ni nyina beka ho wo application so na wo de akoto amuanim na wo abon okokọ se so man ye ne saa na mo apply discretion under the exceptional circumstance rule ni dia and there's some refuse me a say na ebeba won so omutumi tena ase na me say ya hwe ye de bama wo because you have exceptional circumstance and you have met the check boxes na
emo lawyer ajamu edi agu form amayen yentu amerika ne yankofa poto kasa no emra yekoma Deborah abepoto aguma amayen na yedi Deborah eba no hye no nso ye babaka 0208 133 4646 and that's 0208 133 1134. Your WhatsApp line no 0777 1950 989. In the next 5 minutes, near the Jumadino Ebaye. Deborah, Abra, Nianko.
Thank you, Prophet. So today we looked at the changes to the immigration rules that are coming up, specifically the financial requirement if you're going to pick up your spouse from another country, for instance, Ghana. So as of the 11th of April, you have to be able to show 29,000. So that's the new income threshold that will be starting as of the 11th of April. So it's now currently it's 18,600. However, from the 11th of April, it will go up to £29,000. So if you want to avoid the 29,000 financial requirement, then you have between now and the 10th of April to make your application. If you are already here as somebody who came on as a spouse with 2.5 years and you are due to renew after April, then the 29,000 will not affect you. Also, if you're here and going to make an application as a partner on the 5-year route, so for instance, if you're switching from the student route to a marriage route, then if you make your application by the 10th of April, the 29,000 will not affect you. So the 29,000, now the government are saying that you can use a dependent family member who is above the age of 18 to contribute to the £29,000 threshold if you yourself do not meet that income requirement on your own accord. Also, if you have a contract, if you've been given a contract or an employment offer letter which states that you will be making 29,000, for instance, at the end of April or from the end of April when your contract starts, then this is a genuine source of employment income, which means you can use this for immigration purposes. Other forms of income that you may use for the financial requirement include, but are not limited to, savings, non-employment income, such as, for instance, rental income, pension income. So how do you prove the £29,000? Well, through either employment, self-employment, or as I've said, savings, rental income, etc. So with employment, you would show your pay slips, bank statements, employment letter for the past 6 months. Self-employment, you will show a number of things such as your self-assessment tax return, SA 302, and it's important that we take note that self-employment income is the net proceeds and not the profit that you receive. If you do not meet the £29,000 income threshold, all hope is not lost. So if you're able to show insurmountable obstacles, as stated in Gen 3.2 of the immigration rules, then you will not have to meet that £29,000. So this is my summary for today's topic. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Deborah, for the wonderful summary. We are blessed. Inti anopai yemfa asida pesi emma ye video ye Facebook afefo ye radio atiefo baby a wutie ye efribia akabe ye 2 minutes na me dwumadie no eba awieye enne de fire ojahye meto papa enti to America bra ebia nsema lawyer beka ye wo mu nsem bisa o pesa wo ti bibia se bra 0208 133 4646 and that's a 0208 133 1134. Me call my bisa lawyer ko sambako edi amount. Me bisa lawyer ko sambako edi amount. Kai hunu se emra no lawyer ma yati ase se yewura epuri mu na kire se emra foforo eba. Enti lawyer se maye ma adwene se me pesa me kofa obi eba na memma emra foforo no of £29,000 no emmechi me na 18 na me pese me gina enioma ben ena se ewo se mekeka bom na metime de ban animanimu ya se na be ya metime atu America aboa me ho na me de aba
yo echefo ne ahwefo se application no wo de ba se na me boss no obi sa won se me de call se me self employed and se me de call se me employee ema obi we employee ma obi a
lawyer me pa cho gina so ma me ba cho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba eba dwumade so
me pa cho me jo so me pa cho me pete me bisa lawyer question kakraba and candia and no kan ye hu
enya hwe
me de awade ni bi ne ba na ma renew at last year no na kan pese mi ja awade possible sir
menu aba me pa cho wo ma me mo kakra wa ha wa hu se eya nsem sei no na me pese wo be fa lawyer number na one lawyer akotena ase no makasa asem ameka no te ase because me ne no ye nimu se ye mfa awade ma ha menim pa si ye mfa awade ma ha ena wo mfa awade nko baabi ena wasa kogina wo se me de awade abanti me jai unim woni awotie ya na ya man krofo ekwan no mo title ni ma muti aye enti we a sensitive question the lawyer number 079 me pa cho the lawyer number se minu aba asem ameka no woti mase
Matiase
mo me da wase emma na moti asem ase sei no na ya me bompa ya mam so nya me mam kunu pa 079 47 63 6037 6037 yeah and somebody be who are sensitive lawyer entimi you are no ha what me da say for lawyer na book appointment na ko hunu bye bye in somebody be who are too sensitive yentimi ni hu nkomo wa ha me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwa ba
Prophet Michel
okay me jo so
me patcho me pesa mbisa lawyer say ncheche me odi che about 29,000
yeah
ba ne say would that 10 years so na we na bia okoye indefinite leave to remain as
o wa had da won ka ho lawyer say o wa had da won ka ho
okay
o wa ha won ka ho 29 no eye won wa afe no opese okofa ne yire eba okofa nukunu eba okofa na ma eba se lawyer sa no no
dodo no asa na eka ho kakra no ye won a wo ha na afi na omoba sa 5-year route ni so
yeah
so we yire eju atenem foforo and the ukunu eju atenem for the first time and say foforo no sa foforo no so ebe meet ba so mo start that there the second 2.5 no omo nye we but indefinite nkomo no eno nko yenu any question no is about indefinite leave to remain indefinite leave to remain no na nkomo no enye indefinite leave to remain but of course indefinite leave to remain so eno ho criteria nso ewo eho nti yenu say we prepare say we be ya indefinite leave to remain na person who say nyoma ben a obetumi afre number no why na mama wo exclusive audience
yeah enti minua say nia lawyer kan no what you say
Me pacho Matias.
je lawyer number no odonti ena misi so ama na yekinkan Jeremiah 31 verse number 3 odonti ena misi si lawyer number no so ama o 079 4763 6037 079 4763 6037 lawyer Charles number ena mede ato ho ama no ma me fa call no ba ko mienu bi nka ho na fe yenge lawyer anum nkrato na yensore mfrifidua mu hanko se afa na odi ofidie na to ha Rainbow Radio International yani BWF Solicitors ena ebesua ade enne ye kirefo pa ne okandifo ande odi adesua adikirede ebaye eye lawyer Charles number ena mebo ma me pacho nyanto brase na teacher wo ahoma no so fa teacher number no fa lawyer number no lawyer number no is 079 47636037 me pacho me ma wachi emo akwaba ebadwumadi so
Abacho na jumusu yada wansio ni moduma pa mo ye na me shira mo bebre
emo
me pacho mechi bako Ghana last week na ne the card no corner na koyira ko definite akoyira e Ghana na mso betimi de yina be rema na passport na ye Ghana de no
yo so o card eyira wo amanoni a ese se wo call computer no so kasa computer online so kwa ese wo call report so o card akwayira ewo abochire utu kwan ko abochire na o card akwayira na o mama o number bi nti number no ube yusu e de aye application for emergency travel letter and I say certificate bi sa nti omo de mawo na ubedu a na wa baye card replacement no.
Okay.
You only efficacy for be di nketa ho e wo computer so ida say wo baye ama unia no wa ha ana so no abaye no baby owo no our online why on type reporting loss of my BRP abroad.
Me pacho
wase mni nyina no
me pacho wa na fa me da se eja
nkanye se unia no akaga na brava
waka bye da
nkawaka mukwa muntu mo buase muhurisi ha muhura Ghana fonso muduebu odi kadi kwa kotu fie no ni paboni fo bi so akofa no so de ko ha wa adwene wa mafa no ye me last call awati me pa cho me ma wachi emo akwa baba dwumadi so
But I'm just perfect.
emo kenko
Okay. Max and the stuff for 29,000 or boss no. Now maybe it's a centi. Obi wa cannot self-employed. We be remed that, but neba okay. Our British but neba wa Ghana or Fanoa. And no so obe me 29 and I need the less.
Yo menua na e wo mu say ndam komo no ye wodi wukunu wo yere ne akwala ka ho eba anasa akwala nka ho basa akwala no enko na wo application ama no a you don't need 29,000. You don't need 29,000. And no your calculation your faso na you prove home office for say A minus B should be greater or equal to C. A no usika winya so you self-employed that will profit buy for the tax year no. And a minus B no will rent and they will cancel tax. Sasika no what you way if you way more nebeka echi no should be more or equal to C. C no ye obi o wo benefit so a one ne ba eti wo UK o je aban benefit no wo sika aka echi no should be equal to sa nipa no ne benefit sika no a week. Nti sa wo de no ambro anase anye na anya pede a na che say wo sika no enye enough to bring uba no. Pache wajaze here.
Okay.
Nti wo ba wo ye ready a me no be calculation no na ya check box no and the application atum na wo ba no aba intention. Why?
Lawyer na ka me ka kire no kura say ye wisdom say nka obeba na oni wa betena ase no watimi ahunu sika wonya and watimi aye calculation no e de akire na how nka documents no betimi put you together mini asase ma me ka no de ase
Ma tia papa
yeah lawyer de omo ba no mo kan say ya Uti achira obeka so we die metimi aye enso wani beba ho so no na first ye di sika no kwa fe na asa ko hwe lawyer ne ameka no ade ase onyame nshira yo mo onyame nshira yeah na ansa na mema lawyer akasa kura no na me di aha eja wo kwan 8 minutes past 10 hey nema hwe ya me late 8 minutes past 10 enti she no so mame o hwehwe BWF Solicitors your preferred community lawyers there and ye landing hano ye were 4th floor and a house ye were 4th floor and a house 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters ye landing N15 4NP say ya office no ye biatum free hey last year Uncle Ben birthday pa and I me call ho and lawyer Eunice and mommy Kenki ni Chofi no sade shito egu nchen ene na nya sem ketewa me ko ho anopa ifre na book appointment na ko ho okwa o say bishop say wa be di Kenki ho na Kenki ne bi ho ana okwa ne bi ho mo de be ma ebi ni ho so aka wasem na pie bra ye party e be frɛ o 0208 49 37 340 0208 49 37 340 emergency number Fred Uncle Ben 077 127 61884 not Fred lawyer Charles if I tell lawyer Charles no man to Fred lawyer Charles on 079 47 636037 Fred lawyer Charles on 079 47 636037 afi yema lawyer Charles emfa na numa semu etwa to okura emre na yempeja yemu emre aso lawyer wadawroma
yo echefo na ahwefo enanso ye de obi biara ase and then ye de bra won say immigration rules no foforo aba I change number 590 aba na ne wo mu no bi ni say from 11th of April 2024 no ukofa wukunu anasa woyire a kane no 18,600 na ese wo prove no akonenim ekodu 29,000 nti moma yenhye no nso na enwoma a yebehia a yebe prove no so mra no se eyenyan asudie se sa enwoma no nyina no yede beko enye se omo na ese se omo ehwehwe emanyen tinyan na ese se yede ko nti se wo ye obi adwuma na ye tua wo ka se wo ye wo employee and se worker and they will pay slip 6 months up to the date of application and no say pay slip no sika na ewo mu no ese se ewo bank account mu nti 6 month bank statement for those pay slips Sarah enso na employer no a wafa adwuma na ose ono na ma pay slip no obema wo letter to confirm say adwuma no sa na etie Sarah enso na senia ye bobo no so we are self-employed so no we be making sure say we tax year tax calculations no you from form your friend no form SA 100 no wo Sarah enso na aban tax bill na odi ama wo no based on your profit no and also wo form SA 302 Sarah enso na accountant no prepare account no ma wo na wo gina so year tax returns no on accounts no ye ma wo no or the letter atoso a confirm say e no correct ono na oye ema wo Sarah enso na sa sika na eba no bank statement no a e dey adanse say sika we eba ye ene na wugina so ye wo tax no enso ebehia sa bank statement no and there you need it for the whole year because enya 6 months asem the whole year matter nti sa afimu assessment no ho bank statement wo de baba nti ehwemu a nsunsuaso ewo self-employed for any employed for entem na ya tia asenso say self-employed for no we use profit after expenses na employed for no we use gross income before tax no mayenhye no enso na ya mix no Sarah enso na se wo krom ha na ukoye renewal na usika no eso ate aba 18600 ba enso a emra ne say wo ba ɔka ho a moyɛ mo application no ɔno nso ɛyɛ adwuma a wobɛtumi de ne deɛ no aka ho ma na yɛyie na mbom ɛsɛ sɛ wo prove sɛ akwalaa no waboro 18 sɛ wedi 18 ni anaasɛ waboro akwalaa no egu so ɛhyɛ wase a wo na wohwɛ no akwalaa no ɛyɛ adwuma a ɔno so wɔ ne pay slips ne ne bank statement ne adeɛ to support wo deɛ no a wowɔ no to meet 18600 no ɛne nkwalaa ne deɛ no a ɛka ho a ɛma adeɛ no ɛkɔ ɛsoro no kwalaa deɛ no yɛnim sɛ 38 for the first one and 24 for any of the children a ɛka ho no na nea mompɛ sɛ ɛsɛ yɛte asɛ so sɛ wobɛyɛ renewal under 5-year route no a na yɛka no anasɛ increment no na affect wo sɛ wobɛyɛ renewal under 5-year route na ɛsɛ sɛ prove income no a na affect wo so old income no a no na wobɛyi so biom na mbom sɛ afi na woba 5-year no so a and the new law na ebe start 11th of April 2024 no ebe ka wo muma yɛnhyɛ ne nyina enso sɛ sika ne ni hɔ a na sɛ enso a den na wobɛtumi ayɛ mmra ne se wobɛtumi show say there is insurmountable obstacle to family life santi sɛ ɔmanfa adeɛ no amma wo yere anasɛ wo kunu a abusua no ne ngina soɔ ene ne tiri no ɛbɛkɔ fom santi ɔmonhwɛ na ɔmo kwansida sara enso na nkwala na ɔmo wɔ mu no sɛ kɔba sɛ yɛse yɛmfa amawo nti nkwala no mu nyina mo nkɔ mu kuro mu a even though ɔmo nkwala no yɛ British nkwala no sɛ ɔmo se ɔmaame ekɔnti ɔmo ndi ɔmaame echi anasɛ ɔpapa echi anasɛ yɛma ɔpapa mba mu nyina mo nkɔ na mo kɔka ɔpapa anasɛ ɔmaame ho ɛwɔ ɔma no a ɔwɔ mu no emu no a then there is something we call unreasonable discretion. Unreasonable discretion say ono ohwe sika no nko a onim say akwala a wo mu no ne fa hodie ne welfare no etumi ebra ase so mu refisu na etumi hwe no nso ne da ama wo say sika na nso a sara nso na ko say ye busu asem no nti article 8 every aban sa nti ese say wo hwe ono nso na omo consider say sika na nso a omo ba hwe nyoma miensan yeah, the ama nipa no friend no exceptional circumstances test. This is your application now the kotu vacancy for anymore. Sa emre na mbehwe na mo de amake na ma asusu say yemfa ama nipa no anasa yemfa ama nipa no. Sa ran so na kopie court a court behwe ansa webua asem no. Yeda ase bebre say nso wenya emre na yesua ade na me Israel.
Aha ana no pay ye de besi lawyer ye da wase Facebook fo ye da mase onyame inhyiram papa atiefo ba bia wutie ye free bia ye da mase nyame ya adom a da sende odifo mene lawyer ye besa abetene mama enne hye no nso ma me se me ya sorry enti onsu betumi ahwehwe me prayer temple na kire se waba ne yakobo mpaye ne ye de ata lawyer de na chi na bibia ye kama wanti me nka bi ma da sende obehu manim wa ha makra bye bye.
This is our work.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.